In the step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to make a logo with a transparent background in Wix. Firstly, we will need the logo you want to use. If your logo currently has a background, fear not. We will go through the process of removing it. To do this, your first job is to upload your logo to a background removal tool. Some popular options include Remove.bg or Canva's background remover. Don't worry if you don't have these, as there are many other similar tools available online that offer the same functionality. Just search for Background Removal Tool in any search engine and choose the one that suits your needs. Once you have uploaded your logo to the background removal tool, it's now time to get rid of the actual background. You can accomplish this using either the tool's automatic or manual features to get rid of the background. If you're unsure, I would recommend starting with the automatic feature as it can save a lot of time. However, if the result is not satisfying or if your logo has many intricate details, then you might need to use the more hands-on manual feature to ensure a clean and professional result. You have successfully removed the background from your logo. Well done. Your next move is to download this image. To do this, you will need to save it as a PNG file. A PNG file is essential here because it supports transparent backgrounds, unlike other file formats such as JPEG or BMP. Now with your background-free logo at hand, it's time for the next move. That is, to fire up Wix. Within Wix, navigate to the option that says Add Elements. Under Add Elements, select Image, and then click on Upload Images. This process will prompt Wix to open your computer's file explorer, allowing you to navigate to the location where your PNG logo is saved. Once located, simply select it and watch as Wix uploads your new transparency-endowed logo to your Media Manager. Once the new logo is uploaded into Wix's Media Manager, it's time to add it to your page. Drag and drop it to the desired location. If you want to place the transparent logo in the header, simply drag it to the header area and drop it there. Adjust the size as needed, and voila, mission accomplished. You now have a professionally looking logo with a transparent background on your web page. There you have it, folks, a step-by-step guide to making a logo with a transparent background in Wix. I hope you found this information helpful, and you're now more confident in navigating Wix and manipulating logos for this purpose. Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions.